And we are back with week 18 of GoMining's Miner Wars. As you can see, I have quite a few miners now, but these are for giveaways, aside from this one. This one's my miner. That one's mine. You guys can't have that one. This one's mine. I must say, it was not a bad week at all for Bitcoin rewards. We only made a little bit under what we would have in solo mining, just by a few dollars, but that's because we only got one block, but that's okay. And if you haven't already, make sure to join our Discord. This is where we host our giveaways. We just finished giving away two 1 terahash miners to two lucky winners who were able to follow the rules. One person did not follow the rules, so we had to do a redraw. And if you haven't signed up yet, my referral link will be in the description down below. And now onto our total Bitcoin rewards. We are at 0.01940,824. At current price, because the Bitcoin decided to tank again, we are at $1,657.77. Still pretty good. And now onto our weekly payout. We were only able to mine one block this week, so that was a payout of $18.17. We have GoMining tokens, so we were able to use that to pay for the electricity and the service fees. So we got the full $18.17. Just a tiny bit under. I'd say about $3 less than what we would have made in solo mining. And our GoMining tokens that we got in this week, we got a fraction over one GoMining token for being a liquidity provider, and we got 16.9 GMT for clan ownership rewards. And we use these clan ownership rewards to buy miners for our giveaways that we host in our Discord. So that 17.94 GMT altogether that we got is a nice little $7.81. And I know I sound like a broken record, but if you yet to join the Astro Clan, feel free to do that. We are currently at 39 members, and we're sitting shy of just under 5,000 terahash. That is quite a bump up from what we were last week. And because we are at 4,700 terahash, that means we are above our 2,500 terahash giveaway. So it's time to give away two more miners if we can hold this terahash for at least one whole week. It's just, let's try not to pump it too quickly. I don't know if I can afford to add two 4 terahash miners for another giveaway. So converted to USD, because I live in Canada, I've invested about $3,766.09 USD. Forgot to add that. 1% of that equals $37.66. Our total rewards, which is our Bitcoin plus our GMT together, is $2,491.47. These constantly are changing because the prices are continuously changing. So if we do 2,491.47 divided by 37.6609, that equals 66.15, which puts our ROI at 66.15%. I believe last week we were at about a 68%. So because the price of Bitcoin going down, our ROI is also going down a little bit, but Bitcoin kind of needs a little dip and a little rest. It's been pumping for quite a while. So once it goes back up over 100,000, I'm assuming my ROI will be at least 75% or around there. So don't forget to join if you want to mine some Bitcoin with us and you want to win some nice little personal rewards, which could pay you out a few extra $100 a week just randomly. And happy mining. We'll see you all soon.